Welcome to Streams of Health, where we heal the natural way. In this powerful episode, you will learn to recognize 7 hidden signs that show your body is overloaded with toxins. You will discover how your liver, kidneys, gut, skin, and immune system silently signal when they are burdened. Then you will learn about the herbs that can cleanse and restore your body naturally. No extreme diets. No gimmicks. Just science-inspired natural wellness. Join us to reclaim your energy, clarity, and health. Before we begin, please remember this. I am not a medical doctor or a medical professional. I am a herbalist sharing natural knowledge to help you heal safely. All information in this video is for educational purposes only. It should never replace advice from your healthcare provider. Always consult your doctor before making any major changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine. Now, let us begin. Your body speaks to you every single day. It speaks through your energy, your mood, and your skin. But most people ignore those messages until the body raises its voice with pain, fatigue, or sickness. What if you could listen before that happens? What if you could understand the early signs of toxin overload? Today, we will explore 7 hidden signs that your body is full of toxins. And we will learn how herbs can help you cleanse them gently and naturally. Let us begin with sign number 1. Sign number 1 is persistent fatigue. You wake up tired even after sleeping all night. You feel drained and slow throughout the day. This means your detox organs are tired. Your liver and kidneys may be working too hard. Your body is struggling to filter out the waste. When this happens, you need liver support. A powerful herb that helps is milk thistle. Milk thistle is one of the best herbs for liver repair. It protects liver cells and helps them regenerate. It contains a compound called silymarin which cleanses and strengthens your liver. To use milk thistle, crush 1 tablespoon of seeds. Add it to 1 cup of warm water. Steep for 10 minutes. Drink once every morning for 7 days. This gentle tea supports your liver and restores your natural energy. Sign number 2 is digestive issues. Bloating, gas, constipation, or loose stools may all mean your gut and liver are not in balance. When digestion slows down, toxins begin to build up. You may feel heavy after eating or crave sugar more often. Dandelion root is an amazing herb for this. It improves bile flow and helps the body release waste. It also supports beneficial gut bacteria that improve digestion. To prepare dandelion root tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root to 1 cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink before breakfast daily. Do this for 1 week and your digestion will feel lighter and cleaner. Sign number 3 is skin problems. Your skin is a reflection of your inner health. If you see acne, rashes, dull skin, or itching, your body may be trying to release toxins through the skin. The best herb for this is burdock root. Burdock cleanses the blood and supports the liver. It also helps the skin renew from within. To use burdock root, boil 1 tablespoon of dried burdock root in 2 cups of water. Simmer for 10 minutes. Cool slightly and drink half in the morning and half in the evening. Use it for 2 weeks for visible results. Sign number 4 is bad breath or body odor. When toxins build up, the body finds unusual ways to release them. Sometimes it happens through your breath or sweat. Parsley is a simple and powerful remedy. It helps flush toxins from your kidneys and urinary tract. It also refreshes your breath naturally. To prepare parsley tea, chop a handful of fresh parsley. Add it to a cup of boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink once or twice a day. You can also chew fresh parsley leaves after meals to stay fresh. Sign number 5 is brain fog or poor concentration. If your mind feels cloudy. If you forget things easily. If focus is hard to maintain. It could mean toxins are affecting your nervous system. The brain is rich in fats that easily trap toxins. Over time this leads to mental fatigue and poor clarity. An excellent herb for the brain is rosemary. Rosemary increases blood flow, boosts memory, and reduces inflammation. It also protects the brain from oxidative stress. To prepare rosemary tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves in 1 cup of water. Steep for 10 minutes. Strain. And drink daily. As it brews, inhale the aroma. The scent alone can improve focus and mental clarity. Sign number 6 is unexplained weight gain. Sometimes you eat healthy and exercise but still gain weight. That may happen because toxins are slowing your metabolism. A congested liver cannot process fat efficiently. Hormones go out of balance. And your body stores more fat to protect itself. Cilantro is one of nature's best detox herbs. It binds to heavy metals and helps the body remove them safely. It also supports metabolism and improves hormonal balance. To prepare cilantro detox water. Blend a handful of fresh cilantro with 1 cup of water and a little lemon juice. Drink each morning for 1 week. Rest for 3 days and repeat. This natural cleanse can help reset your metabolism. Sign number 7 is joint and muscle pain. You may feel stiffness or soreness even without physical strain. This often means toxins have built up in your tissues. These toxins cause inflammation that leads to pain. Holy basil, also called tulsi, is excellent for this. It is calming, cleansing, and deeply healing. It supports joints, reduces inflammation, and strengthens your immune system. To prepare tulsi tea. Steep 5 fresh basil leaves in 1 cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink once daily. It relaxes your body and helps your tissues release toxins gently. Now you know the 7 hidden signs your body is full of toxins. And you know the herbs that help to remove them. But knowing is only the first step. You must act. Healing begins with consistent small actions. Start with 1 or 2 herbs at a time. Do not rush. Let your body adjust and respond naturally. Drink enough water every day. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods and refined sugar. Move your body. Even gentle exercise helps your lymph system release waste. Breathe deeply. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. These simple habits give your organs time to repair and reset. When you follow this lifestyle, your body responds. Your skin brightens. Your mind clears. Your energy rises. You begin to feel light and balanced again. Healing is not about perfection. It is about progress and awareness. Your body was designed to heal itself. It only needs your cooperation. Give it the right foods, the right herbs, and the right rest. And it will always find its way back to balance. This is where we bring today's teaching to an end. If you learned something new today, subscribe, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. And stay healthy.